This is Judy from Changzhou Company. We are a very professional manufacturer of auto AC compressors with more than 40 years experience. From this big character you can see, we have been authorized by Chinese high-tech enterprise. And now I will take you to have a look at our workshop. Please follow me. When coming to our workshop, you can see this big screen. All our production schedule will be shown on this screen, and our workshop manager will get all the information they want from this computer. This can save a lot of communication time and improve the work efficiency. And now you can see these machines. This is our production line. We have 7 lines, and each line they produce different parts of our compressors. This can avoid many mistakes and save a lot of time. And most of our machines are imported from Japan, so the machine's quality is very good. Also can guarantee our product's quality. Our compressors is that it's very small, very light, and easy to assemble. So we have the best advantages that for the small cars, the invention patents of our compressors